Welcome back to CAD/CAM Legend. In this tutorial, I am going to model this hinge lock pin inside SolidWorks, and we will have to look at some basic features like swept boss base and many more. So now let's start the part. Come to File, New, select Part and say OK. Change the background plane white, and now let's sketch. Choose a plane, make it normal. Draw a line like this. Now just drag downward, come again to this point, will automatically convert it to a line into arc. And now come downward a little bit. Select. Drag your mouse by holding and pressing the right click to get into dimension. Upward. And this time 36 mm, 5 mm this radius, and this portion too for now. Select. OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now what we can do, we have to draw the profile that we have to go to sweep along this path. So we must need a plane. Come to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane. In first reference you have to select this line, and second reference you have to select this point. Now when this green check comes, it's mean you can now draw each and everything, which is fully defined. Okay. Now I will choose this plane, sketch on it, make it normal. Just zoom it a little bit and draw a circle like this. Assign the dimension 5 mm and exact sketch. Hide the plane. And now come to sweep boss base. In profile, select this profile, and in path, select this path. See? Okay. Now we'll choose the front plane, sketch on it, make it normal. And now let me sketch a profile like this. Come to Smart Dimension. Keep this one 4 for now. And the height is 8 mm. Keep this portion 1.5. Select exact sketch. Now I will use the revolve boss base. And in axis of revolution you have to select this axis line. See? And make sure the angle is 360. Okay. Now we need to add some rounds. Come to Fillet and add some rounds. This time the radius is too high. Keep it 1 or 0.5. This one and this lower. Okay. Add one more round. Okay. Now the part is done. Now let me assign some color. Come to Appearance, and this time I will come to Steel and pour the steel. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like our channel videos and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.